Emma promised her best friend, Lily, that she would help her prepare for an important presentation. But when the day came, Emma got invited to a big party and chose to go there instead. The next day, Lily was upset and disappointed. She had stayed up all night alone. Emma felt terrible. She realized that trust, once broken, is hard to rebuild. She apologized sincerely and promised never to put fun before friendship again. In a small village, people often argued over trivial matters. Tired of constant complaints, they went to a wise old man for advice. At first, the old man listened patiently. But when the same complaints were repeated day after day, he told them a joke. Everyone laughed. The next day, he told the same joke. Fewer people laughed. By the third day, no one laughed. The old man said, "If you can't laugh at the same joke more than once, why do you keep complaining about the same problems again and again?" Moral: don't waste time complaining, find solutions. Alex was an ambitious student. One night before an important exam, he found an answer key online. Tempted to get an easy A, he secretly copied it. During the test, the teacher caught him cheating. Alex not only failed the test but lost his scholarship too. He realized too late that shortcuts often lead to bigger losses. From then on, Alex worked hard, honest, and never looked for easy ways out. Moral: shortcuts today can cost you tomorrow. A poor boy sold newspapers to pay for school. One day, he was very hungry but had no money. He asked for food at a house. A kind woman gave him a glass of milk instead of money. Years later, that boy, now a famous doctor, saved the woman's life with a difficult surgery. When she worried about the huge hospital bill, she found a note, paid in full, with a glass of milk. Moral: kindness is never wasted.